A very warm welcome to Uni Voyage. Hi guys, I am Shubhangi Avasthi and I'm a student at the Indian Institute of Management Indore. I am currently enrolled in the 5-year integrated program in management that the institute offers. We all know that IIM Rohtak has already released the results for IP MAT that was conducted on 17th of July. Heartiest congratulations to everybody who made through such an important step. Now it's time for the personal interviews, which will most probably happen over an online platform. Since personal interview is supposed to be a significant step in the selection procedure for IPMAT Rohtak, Uni Voyage has decided to come up with a personal interview preparation program wherein the students who enroll in this program would be mentored by the students of IPM Indore. Basically, this would be a 2-day program wherein in day one, the mentors would prepare the mentees for HR questions, which are commonly asked in college interviews, like introduction and why we should select you, or extempore speech questions, trick questions. Basically, these questions are asked to check how confident you are about your personality. These questions do not check your knowledge level, no, not at all. They just check if you're comfortable in your own skin and if you have the confidence to wear your features, wear your knowledge. So, the IPM Indore students would help you amplify your confidence so that you can face the interviewers in a decent manner. The day two would focus on your academic preparation, wherein the mentors would ask questions related to the subjects of your curriculum that you had in 11th and 12th, so that you know how deep you stand and what topics you forgot to skim through and which topics you are confident in. Basically, we divided this program into 2 days so that we get the chance to focus on each aspect of the interview, because we don't want you guys to lack in any aspect. Because if you lack in one way or the other, it would be a huge hurdle for you to cross over. And we just want you to have a smooth selection procedure so that each one of you can get into your dream college. We have very limited seats for this program, and the students would be offered the seats on a first come, first serve basis. So please fill the Google form that is attached in the description of this video and just fill it as soon as possible. Do not wait for the last moment because you might or might not get a seat. So, all the best for the upcoming procedure, and stay tuned for more updates. Just fill the form as soon as possible. Thank you.